This is the bounty we got from the Vivero in Loja, the municipal garden center. There's 55 plants and it costs us $64.50. We have a couple of fruit trees. We have a couple of trees actually. Lots of flowering plants, lots of vines, a couple of succulents. So an incredible uh, price and lots of variety at that garden center. So I'm going to go back for sure. And we're going to get all these in the ground. A lot of them have specific locations already. That's interesting. When we go to the garden center as gardeners, we always have plants in mind for specific locations. I got this really strange miniature papyrus that has these really odd heads on them. So that's going in on the water's edge. I have a couple of climbing vines, not climbing, evergreen English ivies that I'm going to put up on certain walls. So a lot of these plants have specific locations already. And in Ecuador, there is a movement towards getting the earth covered with green matter because we have so many landslides here. So the government is really pushing this growing of plants, which is very phenomenal for a country. And it'll make a big difference if a lot of these lands are covered with green matter. Look at this odd plant. It's the same family as this. The size difference. So when I get a new plant variety or species that I don't have, I always shotgun them. I put them in many different locations so that I'm sure that some of them will survive, and it makes a big difference, especially when we get a really heavy storm. It might take everything with it. So I'll have some against the river and some up a bit higher as well. And I also put some in sunshine and some in shade as well. So I just have a better survival rate. So that's what happens every time you come back from a garden center. You have these plants that you have specific locations for, and you make sure you get them in safe locations. Okay, this one. Yeah, we're at the vivero of the city of Loja. Endless plants, lots of different variety of plants, lots of selection here, and everything is very, very inexpensive. So you can fill up a garden. You know, we're spending $100 today and getting so many different flowering plants, a couple of fruit trees. So that makes it very, very reasonable to fill up your garden with all this interesting material. Okay. So we're in the vivero of the municipality of Loja. There's so much here to pick from. I have a budget of $100, and the plants are $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. So you can get quite a few plants for very little money. Yeah, so we got this whole bounty here for $70, $73. Lots of flowers, not so many fruit trees. We got Meyer lemon again. Lots of flowers in here, so it was a really good way to buy your plant material. So very interesting. Yeah, there's so much. Yeah, yeah, there's so much to choose from here. It's really nice. What was that? Did she load up? Did she load up the other ones? Yeah. These things don't come out. I don't know if this is a sedum family or I have to look it up.
Esta es la amarilla que tenemos.
¿Tenemos esos?
Esas amarillas grandes que tenemos, creo son.
Me sacas dos. Una. Saco una. I'm gonna get 2 oranges. Laura, me buscas 2 naranjas de esos. ¿O 2? Suculenta, esa es suculenta. Sí, yo tengo succulent, ya, sí. Y estos son. Ve, Laura. Otra vez. ¿Maya? ¿Son Maya? Sí. Me sacas una aquí, Laura. Se tiene fruta aquí, ver eso. Ese es $6. 6, ok. Sacas eso. Una. Tenemos mucho, ya. Of different fruit trees, but they have, succulents and a lot of stuff that flowers, which is really good to have little corners in your garden to fill up. And if you do come to Ecuador to grow a garden, this is definitely a spot to stop. It has endless different types of plants here. I found a really small papyrus, which is really cool. It has very small spikes on it. So if you look around in this vivero, this garden center, there's all kinds of little gems that you have to sort of dig through to find them. Okay. Tres centinelas. 4. Ya, de esas 4 hay, ¿no? De la doble hay.
¿Cuánto le pongo de la normal?
Sí.
De la doble, 2.
De la doble más. Una. Bigger things? Leave it for there. Where the big tree is, right? Not right now. We're not putting it in there now. Oh, okay. I just thought it's easier to. 5 dobles. Una Barranquilla. So, yeah, so I spoke to the manager. They produce about 2,000 plants a day. They have lots of employees, and they're basically cultivating the same plants over and over again. They don't introduce a lot of new stuff. It's hard to get new stuff here in Ecuador, so I think they really rely on what they have to propagate. They do collect a lot of seeds. I saw a whole bunch of seed bags up there. I guess they send some of the students in to get wild seeds, and then they plant them right away. But this goes on forever, all the way back there. They have all the trees over on this side. So it's very interesting how many different things you can find here.